students, this is my second video on partnership accounts in which we discuss the next topic, which is profit and loss appropriation account. My dear students, according to recommendation by the students, now I discuss this topic in Hindi. We discuss the profit and loss appropriation account. जैसा कि हमने +1 में प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट बनाना सीखा था, जिससे हमें नेट प्रॉफिट और नेट लॉस का पता चलता है। प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट बनाने के बाद जब हमें यह पता चलता है कि there are some adjustments regarding partners are not recorded in the books of accounts due to any reason, for the adjustment of that entries we prepared the again account, which is known as profit and loss appropriation account. Appropriation means adjustments, means this account is also known as profit and loss adjustment account. As we know that this is the nominal account. We already discussed in +1. Nominal accounts means that accounts from which we get the information regarding profit and loss. As we studied in rules of account, nominal account means all expenses and losses debit and all incomes and profits credit. In this account, we start this account by profit and loss account, which we get from profit and loss account, that is net profit and loss account. On the debit side of this account, we record interest on partners capital, to next salary to working partners, any commission to partners, and on credit side, as we know that the interest on drawing is income of the business, we record interest on drawings on credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. After this, we get the balance of profit and loss after adjustments, which should be distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Now this is the profit and loss appropriation account. Dear students, now we discuss this profit and loss appropriation account with the help of journal entries. As you know that in most probably in all questions, the examiner should be asked for journalize the entries regarding this profit and loss appropriation account. So we discuss these journal entries regarding profit and loss appropriation account. First of all, journal entries first, transfer of profit from profit and loss account to this profit and loss appropriation account. The journal entry is profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. Second, interest on partners capital. Journal entry is profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital account. Similarly, salary to working partners. Salary to partner. Journal entry is profit and loss appropriation account debit to salary to partner account. Fourth, commission to partner. Again, profit and loss appropriation account debit to commission to partner account. Partner account. Then interest on drawings. Interest on drawings account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. And last, distribution of profit. Profit and loss appropriation account debit to partners capital account. These are the journal entries regarding profit and loss appropriation account. Now we discuss the next topic of this chapter. As I explained earlier, that in this chapter we have to study the two topics. First, profit and loss appropriation account, and then second, capital account of partners. Before I start the topic capital account of partners, I explain this profit and loss appropriation account with the help of an example. Dear students, now we discuss the profit and loss appropriation account with the help of an example. First of all, I write down the example. A and B sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 1:1, means equal. They contributed rupees 3 lakh and rupees 2 lakh respectively as their capitals. The term of partnership agreement are as given under. First, interest on capital is to be allowed at the rate of 7% per annum. Second, B is to be get annual salary of rupees 10,000. The drawings being 25,000 and 20,000 respectively. Fourth, interest on drawings being 2,500 and rupees 1,500 respectively for A and B. The profit for the year ended 31st December before making above adjustments was 1,56,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. The journal entries according to these questions are: first of all, we transfer the profit to profit and loss appropriation account. My dear students, this profit we get from profit and loss account. That is why this given profit is the profit which is before these adjustments. The amount of this profit is, according to this question, is 1,56,000, which we transfer to this profit and loss appropriation account with the journal entry profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. Second, according to the question, interest on partner's capital should be allowed 7% per annum. According to this question, the partner's capital is A's capital is 3 lakh and B's capital is 2 lakh. First of all, we calculate the interest on capital. We apply the rate of interest on capital given in the question, that is 7% per annum. So the A's capital interest on capital is 21,000 and B's interest on capital is 14,000. Now the journal entries regarding this interest on capital is profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on A's capital, that is 21,000, and to interest on B's capital, that is 14,000, and the profit and loss account appropriation account should be debited with 36,000. Next, according to the question, salary rupees 10,000 per annum should be allowed to partner B. So the entry regarding this salary to B's is profit and loss appropriation account debit to B's salary. I repeat again, the salary to partner means B's salary. The journal entry is profit and loss appropriation account debit to B's salary account, 10,000. Now, the next is, according to question, interest on drawings, which is given. A's interest on drawing is 2,500 and B's interest on drawings is 1,500. So the journal entry is interest on A's drawings account debit 2,500, interest on B's drawings debit 1,500 to profit and loss appropriation account, that is 4,000. After passing these entries, journal entries according to this question, we get the profit, that is 1,15,000 after all the adjustments, and this profit should be distributed among the partners with the entry profit and loss appropriation account debit 1,15,000 to A's capital, to B's capital 57,500 each. This is because according to the question, the profit and loss should be divided among the partners equally. In this way, we journalize the entries regarding this profit and loss appropriation account. Now we prepare the profit and loss appropriation account according to this question. Now, according to this given question, we prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. First of all, we transfer the amount of net profit given in this question, which we get from profit and loss account, that is 1,56,000. Then we transfer the entry of interest on partners capital. As we discussed in journal entries, A's capital is 3 lakh, B's capital is 2 lakh, and the rate of interest on capital is 7% per annum. So the A's interest on capital is 21,000 and B's interest on capital is 14,000, that is 35,000. Now we transfer B's salary given, that is 10,000 to, after this we transfer post the entry of interest on drawings, A's drawings and B's drawings, but the interest on drawing is given. A's interest on drawing is 2,500 and B's interest on drawing is 1,500. The total of the credit side of this account is now 1,60,000, and we deduct the amount of interest on capital and salary to B's partner, and we get the profit 1,15,000, which we distributed among the A and B according to given equal ratio, that is 57,500 each, both. This is the profit and loss appropriation account. Dear student, I hope you understand the profit and loss appropriation account with the help of the journal entries, and you understand how we prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. I again repeat, this profit and loss appropriation account is a nominal account which is prepared when some adjustments regarding partners should not be recorded in the books of accounts. Then we prepare the profit and loss appropriation account